Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexflips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 19th of June 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the video updates from my side. Now let's move towards the today's analysis. We have a short analysis today because only 4 pairs come into our entry zones and we have traded them. And let's get started with the analysis right from Euro USD. So I have supplied the bullish trend in case of Euro USD from 112015 and 112433 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have a clear break from the entry right from here, and Euro USD is into the upward momentum. If you look at the higher time frames, then you can see that the market is pushing up on the upward side. And if we go to the daily chart, then daily chart was reached to the oversold levels. That is why Euro USD is pushing its level up, and Euro USD is subject to further growth, and we can expect the target price up to 112433. So overall, those traders who have taken the buy positions today on Euro USD, they must have collected a very decent profit. Okay, do you know that we do not talk about the losing trades in our videos? However, I'm telling you, basically this signal is 30 to 40% satisfied. It clearly break our entry, then it went down, but later on again it has upward move that we have closed it. But if you have traded this one up to here, then you must have collected the profit on New Zealand USD even. Okay, USD CHF. Okay guys, we have seen a big drop on USD CHF today, and this drop was already predicted by 200forexflips.com early in the morning. 099864 was the bearish entry and 099473 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on USD CHF, and the market is just went near to the target price. Overall, I congratulate all those subscribers who have followed this signal. They must have collected and ended up with very good profits. Okay, another massive trade that is taken today on Great Britain Pound JPY, a very easy trade. You know that the Great Britain Pound JPY was going down from many days, but today 200forexflips.com has predicted the right trend of the day. Great Britain Pound JPY with a bullish expectation from 135.986 and 136.747 was our target price. And guys, you can see a big boost on the screen here. Great Britain Pound JPY has taken the U-turn. It breaks the entry from here, and after that the trade was triggered, and you can see that the trade was on, and it even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So that was a massive trade. So hopefully if you people have tested it up to the target price, then you people must have collected a massive profit, because it was a very good trade. Okay, at last I'm going to talk about the Euro JPY. A bullish trend was supplied to the subscribers. Euro was in a strength today, so bullish signal was given. 121294 was the bullish entry, and 121874 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have break the entry right from here, and Euro JPY is making the bullish pattern, and it's on the way to the upward momentum. So just note down the target price 121874. So guys, it does not mean that all the signals hit the target price, because if you look at my signals, the gap in my signals is quite high. So if you have got the reasonable profit during the trades, then you can exit from the trade. Do not greed too much in Forex, otherwise you can also lose your potential profits. So just be careful about this thing. Okay guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that any pair is into the top red boundary, and if it is getting the rejection, you can sell the pair. And if the scalper points you with a red arrow at the top red boundary, then you can sell further, and you can see the market is down. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. Look, that was a clear boost from the red arrow. And even if you look at this pattern, we have a clear boost from here, and Euro JPY has moved up. And moreover, the price monitor is also here to help you, but it is for taking very long trades. So overall, if you just focus on these two indicators, that's a more than perfect to trade. Okay guys, this is how we use the trading indicators, and that's more about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexflips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.